Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and this video is about I was about to something. Okay, here it is. I was about to do something. I was about to do something, and do over here represents a verb. Okay, it can be any verb. I was about to say, I was about to go, I was about to stay, I was about to plan, I was about to call, and many other things. Anything that you like. But as you can see in the formation, it is I was about to do. Okay, I was about to do. Why have I put do over there? Because what comes after this should be the simple form of the verb. Okay, so there is no third person s, there is no ing, there is no to, there is no ed or anything, or second form of the verb, nothing. So I was about to do. Okay, now I can say fill the gap with the right form of the verb to go, and that is I was about to go. Alright, it's not I was about to go. No. Okay, so you know that. Alright, so where do we use this? I was about to. Now, whatever it is, what is it? We use this to say that the other meaning is I was preparing to do something, or I was planning to, or I was about to. That's the same thing. I mean, I was just doing it. I was close to do that, but I didn't do it. It means it has two things in it. One is that I was very close of doing this, and the other thing in the sentence, in this expression, is that I didn't do it. Something else prevented me from doing this. Let me give you an example. I say, I was about to call you. I was about to call you. Okay. It means I was thinking of that. I had the plan. I had in my mind. Okay. But it is clear that I haven't done it. Maybe I say this when I pick the phone up. Okay, I answer the phone and I hear you're on the phone, and I say I was about to call you. Means you called me and I didn't. Okay, so something prevented me from doing this, and that was your call. For example, I was about to go out. I was about to go out. Then it means two things. It was close to go out. The other thing, I didn't go out. There should be a reason. Probably it has another part, or something is around us that we know this didn't happen. For example, some guests came over. I was about to go out when my friend came over. I was about to go out when the phone rang. So the phone rang, I went to pick it up and I didn't go out. Or my friend came over and I stayed in and I didn't go out. So that is to talk about something that we were close to act. We were close to do, but never happened, and that was because something else prevented us from doing that. It is close to, it is similar to I am about to. But I am about to is about my plan, okay, and is not, it is close, it shows that I am close to doing that, and nothing has prevented me, okay, it is in future, it's in very near future. For example, I say I am a shopkeeper, someone comes in, and I say, please be quick, I am about to close the shop. I am about to close the shop. It means I will close the shop very soon. And this is not prevented by the person's entrance, okay? But when I say I was about to close the shop when a police officer came in. Okay, I was about to close the shop. That was what I intended to do. That was what was in my mind. I was going to do that, but something prevented that. Someone came in, okay, that person didn't allow me to do that, or made me stay longer, or something like this. Okay, we use this when to show that we haven't forgotten things. Let me give you an example, it will be clear. For example, someone called my desk and say, did you send the files? For example, I am at my work, I have to send a report or an email or something like that, and say, oh yeah, I was about to send it. It means that I didn't forget that. Even without you reminding me, I was doing it. I was close to do that. Maybe if you wouldn't call, you would have it by now, or in a minute. So it means that I was close to that. I am showing, by saying that, I show that I haven't forgotten. I was also thinking of that, and I do not need a reminder. Alright, so this can be one of the places that we use. You might find some other uses for it, but this is all about this expression. So if you have any other questions, if it is not clear, or if you have questions about other things, please comment it below the video, let me know, and I'll make the video as soon as I can. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.